of a honky tonk, a man feels like a king. With a clouded mind from too much wine, he'll have himself a thing. He forgets about tomorrow, just lives for tonight. In the shadows of a honky tonk, he tries to hide from life. Place where lonely people can be found. They gather